Hey you guys, it's Yesenia. Welcome back to my channel.
I don't know what's up with my hands. Apparently I have to do some type of motion with my hands when I talk. Or maybe it's just because I don't know what to do with my other hand since I'm holding the camera with the other hand. I don't know.
I think my room came out really cute. So yeah, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And let's just get started. Okay, so when you first walk in my room, this is what you see. And this is my little dresser. I have everything on here. I tried not to like put too much on here. And I just have like my camera, my little candle. This candle smells so good. I got this candle at TJ Maxx, I believe, and it was like $5.99. Smells so good. And then over here, I just have like my little robes and my keys and my purse and just my tripod over here, like the corner. And I have my new bed set that I've recently bought at TJ Maxx. If you watch my recent video, you actually saw me buy this new bed set at TJ Maxx. And these are just my little like throw-on blankets that I've always had. And then those two black pillows I've had for a while, but I got those two black pillows at Five and Below. And then walking over here, we have my little desk where like I work and like edit videos in the meantime, because I had to get rid of my desk just because my room is like much more smaller than the one I was previously in. But that's okay, I'm making this work. And then right next to my little desk, I have my ring light and my little desk chair right here where the window is. Moving on to this side of my room, I currently bought this mini fridge at Walmart. It was $21, which is really inexpensive because on Amazon they had the mini fridges for like $48. So that was like a steal. And then these like little candles that I took from my mom. And I have this thing, this little storage holder that I actually got at TJ Maxx. And then my little makeup, earrings, and little mason jars holding my scrunchies. And then up here I have like my little calendar I'm so excited to like finally use. That way, as you can see, I have like one sticky tape right here, but on Sundays I like to write down what I'm gonna do for the rest of the week, and I get to like follow my schedule throughout the week. So I'm gonna be putting like sticky notes on each day, if that makes any sense. So I'm super excited about that. And then up here above that, I have my little shelf. I put my little gymnastic trophies from when I was little up here. And then my favorite teacher, she actually bought me this a long time ago, but I just really like it, and it's really cute, and it's pink and it has sparkles on it, and I just love the color pink, but it's just so cute. And this set here I've had for a while as well. I got this actually at Big Lots, and my dad ended up building it for me because it comes in pieces, and yeah, it was a headache. And over here I have my little makeup brushes and mirror. Moving on to right next to my bed, I also got this at Big Lots. I really like this. It was super inexpensive. Really like it. I got some like fake flowers here, and I've recently just purchased this trash bin from Dollar Tree. I really like it. It's such a cute like pastel pink color. It kind of matches, well, it does match like my bed set, so I thought that was really cute. And I also got this from Dollar Tree as well, and I just put like my notebooks and stuff and sticky notes underneath there. And right in this corner I have my little makeup box, and in here is my closet. Really love my closet. I get ready like in here, and then I have like my mirror right here, which I take out and like put it over here on that wall over there and just like move my desk and just like kind of move things around. But it's a vibe. I really like it, and I think it looks really, really cute in my closet, as well as this one. This one holds up like all of my jewelry that I've had like over the years. So I really like it, and it comes with a cute key. And my dad actually bought me this for Christmas a while ago. I know he purchased it off of Amazon, so if you guys are like interested or anything, I'm sure you can find like storage mirrors on Amazon if you just like search it up. So yeah, that's my closet, and now we are going to head out of my closet. Alright, so walking out of the closet, this is the view you get. Okay, and you're probably wondering what that door is because I came in through this door over here. So I'm going to show you guys. Over here is my bathroom. Okay, well, it's like a Jack and Jill bathroom, and I have to share it with my brother, but it's like technically my bathroom because like I can just like walk straight into it, and then like out here is just like the hallway, so like I really like it. It's a small bathroom, but it's still like really cute. I just like have my contacts and my earrings that I typically wear every day. I put them in this tiny cute little mason jar. Over here I have like other essentials like skincare, brushes, just things like that. And this is the bathroom. There's really like nothing special about it, but the floors are super cute. My mom recently got hardwood floors installed, and I really, really love the floors. It looks really cute. Compared to what the floors were before, this looks amazing. So this is the bathroom. There's nothing like special, it's just a bathroom. This is really it, you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is my new room tour. I really hope you guys like it. I know it's like a pretty small bedroom, but I am actually really, really in love with it still, though. I feel like I can make it work regardless of the space that I do or don't have, you know? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day or night, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.